Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best level 3 masks for kids is probably one of the most crucial pieces of protective gear you can equip your little ones with, especially in environments where high-level filtration is paramount, ensuring their delicate respiratory systems are shielded from airborne particles, pathogens, and potential contaminants, making it an indispensable tool for safeguarding their health and well-being during these uncertain times. Number 5. FriCARE 3-ply ASTM Level 3 Medical Face Masks. Experience superior defense with our medical-grade face masks. Designed to meet ASTM Level 3 standards, they offer the highest level of protection available. Breathe easy with our breathable and comfortable design. These masks are perfect for extended wear, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout the day. Ideal for allergy season or sun protection, these masks provide a reliable barrier. They are also FSA/HSA eligible for your convenience. Crafted with a 3-ply construction, these masks deliver exceptional quality. You can trust in their durability and effectiveness for everyday use. Get a pack of 50 black masks, offering great value and ample supply. Keep yourself and your loved ones protected with this essential item. What we like. This mask offers ASTM Level 3 protection, ensuring high-level filtration. It's designed for breathability and comfort, making it suitable for extended wear. If you're looking for a reliable mask in a classic black color for everyday use or allergy protection, this is a great choice. What people say. The mask is designed with a comfortable fit for children, ensuring it stays in place during wear. These masks offer reliable protection, meeting the necessary standards for children's safety. The breathable material makes these masks suitable for extended use without causing discomfort. Number 4. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend-play set designed for aspiring young doctors. It includes everything they need to step into the role. This kit comes with a variety of realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, and even a doctor's coat and hat. It's perfect for imaginative play and learning. Help your child become more comfortable with doctor visits by letting them experience the role of a doctor or nurse. This toy can help ease anxieties about checkups. With simulated tools and dress-up options, they can immerse themselves in fun, creative role-playing. This encourages empathy and communication skills. Engaging in pretend play helps children build confidence as they take on the role of a healer. They'll love taking care of their patients. This doctor kit makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming a doctor or dentist. What we like. This toy set allows children to engage in imaginative doctor roleplay, complete with realistic tools and a cute dog toy. It's designed to ease anxieties about doctor visits and build confidence. If your child dreams of being a doctor or enjoys pretend play, this educational toy is a fantastic gift. What people say. The masks are designed to be comfortable for children, with soft ear loops that don't cause irritation. These masks offer a high level of filtration, providing excellent protection against airborne particles. The masks come in a variety of fun colors and patterns that kids will love, making them more willing to wear them. Number 3. Pac-Dent iMask Premium Kid Face Masks. Introducing the Pac-Dent iMask Premium Kid Face Masks, designed for ultimate protection and comfort for your child. Get extreme value with this 50-pack. We've cut down on packaging costs by shipping without the retail box. This means significant savings for you without compromising the quality and protection you expect. Crafted from ultra-soft, latex-free, non-woven material, these masks are gentle on sensitive skin. They provide ASTM Level 3 protection, ensuring your child is well protected. Featuring an adjustable nose piece and soft ear loops, these masks offer a snug and comfortable fit. They are designed for superior comfort during extended wear. Our 3-ply disposable masks effectively block particulate matter and dust. You can be confident in their breathability, allowing for carefree breathing while staying protected. This pack includes 50 children's masks, perfect for kids aged 4 to 12 years old. Ensure your child's safety and comfort with these premium face masks. What we like. This mask provides ASTM Level 3 protection with an adjustable nose piece and soft ear loops for a superior, comfortable fit. It's designed for excellent breathability while blocking particulate matter. If you prioritize a secure and comfortable fit for your child, especially for longer periods, and appreciate value, this option is ideal. What people say. The masks are designed to fit children's faces snugly, providing a secure seal. These masks offer a high level of filtration, meeting the requirements for level 3 protection. The breathable material makes them comfortable for extended wear, even during physical activities. Number 2. Kids 4-ply disposable medical face mask. Ensure your child's safety with our FDA-registered face masks. They provide a reliable barrier against airborne particles, offering peace of mind for everyday use. These masks meet the ASTM Level 3 standard, the highest level of fluid resistance and filtration. This means superior protection for your little ones in various environments. Specially designed for children, these masks offer a comfortable and secure fit. They are made to be gentle on delicate skin while providing essential protection. Featuring a 4-ply construction, our masks offer enhanced filtration. This multi-layer design effectively blocks out impurities, keeping your child safe and healthy. Each mask is individually wrapped for maximum hygiene and convenience. This ensures that every mask is clean and ready to use, perfect for on-the-go protection. These disposable masks are perfect for daily use, offering a hassle-free solution for protection. Simply use and discard for easy and effective safety. What we like. Offering FDA-registered, ASTM Level 3 protection, these masks feature a 4-ply design for enhanced safety. Each mask is individually wrapped, ensuring hygiene and convenience. If you need maximum protection and prioritize individual hygiene for your child, especially when on the go, these are an excellent selection. What people say. The mask is designed to be comfortable for children, with soft ear loops and a breathable material. These masks offer a high level of filtration, meeting Level 3 standards for protection. The masks come in various kid-friendly designs and colors, making them more appealing to children. Number 1. Kid-size disposable face masks, made in USA. Introducing our kid-size disposable face masks, proudly made in the USA. They offer premium protection for your little ones. These masks meet ASTM Level 3 standards, providing the highest level of fluid resistance and filtration. You can trust their superior performance. Featuring a robust 3-layer design, they effectively filter out particles while remaining breathable. This ensures comfort and safety. Designed with soft, elastic ear loops, these masks stay securely in place without causing discomfort. They are perfect for extended wear. Available in 4 vibrant colors, these masks add a touch of fun to everyday safety. Kids will love choosing their favorite color. Each pack contains 50 masks, ensuring you have plenty on hand for your child's needs. It's a convenient and economical choice for your family. What we like. These masks are made in the USA, offering ASTM Level 3, 3-layer protection. They come in a pack of 50 with 4 different color options. If you value domestically produced goods and want a reliable, comfortable mask for your child in a variety of fun colors, this is a solid choice. What people say. The masks are designed to fit children's faces comfortably, with adjustable ear loops and a flexible nose wire for a secure seal. These masks offer a high level of filtration, meeting Level 3 standards for protection against airborne particles and droplets. The breathable material makes them suitable for extended wear, ensuring children can breathe easily throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.